Hey everyone, Chris Dutton here, and welcome to Microsoft Excel, Intro to Power Query, Power Pivot, and DAX. Now for those of you who don't know me, I'm a Microsoft certified expert and a best-selling Excel instructor. In 2014, I founded Excel Maven to bring high-quality applied analytics training to clients around the world, and I now teach students in over 150 countries. In this course, I'll introduce you to some of Excel's newest business analytics tools, using hands-on case studies and plain English, crystal clear demos and explanations. By the end, you'll have a firm grasp of data modeling fundamentals and the skills to extract, explore, and analyze data from virtually any source, all within Excel. We'll start by describing the Power Excel landscape, and then dive into the 3 tools that will completely revolutionize the way you work with data: Power Query, Power Pivot, and Data Analysis Expressions, or DAX. Listen, it's time to start working smarter, not harder. If you're ready to take your analytics game to the next level and become a true Excel power user, this course will get you there, guaranteed. So what do you say? Ready to dive in? Sign up today and get immediate, lifetime access to over 7 hours of high-quality video content, downloadable project files, course quizzes and homework exercises, and one-on-one support, all backed by a 30-day, 100% guarantee. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you there.